Good morning again, you guys. Welcome back to Mike Thompson's RV Superstores here in Colton, California. Today, we're going to be presenting this beautiful 2025 Thor Sequence 20 JT model, which the T is for the pop top. So you bring in some kids or anybody else with you, this is the one you want to get that's going to sleep the most amount of people. This is the rear sofa floor plan. So come along the side here, we'll take a look at some nice features. This is the ceramic gray color on the outside, which is just beautiful. You have your extendable power awning, which also has your motion sensor on here. So if the wind starts picking up, it will retract your awning for you. Here on the side, you do have some more power outlets here. Again, if you're at a campground, you could hook up to some power ports, be able to plug things in, that type of deal. You have a cable outlet here. So if you are at a campground, they have cable, you could hook up and be able to watch some television. You do have a nice, easy, quick connect for the LP. So this taps into your propane tank on the coach. If you want to do some grilling, you want to have a little heater on the outside, you could do so. You do have a receiver on the back, so if you want to tow along any little thing here, you do have a little bit of towing capacity on this guy. Now this has, for power source on the outside, a Onan quiet 2800 kilowatt gas generator. So if you are dry camping, you want to run your 110 appliances, you could do so. One big thing on this guy, which is awesome, you do have what is called a portable little tank here. This comes out here. So it's a smaller capacity than a regular black tank, but what that does, that gives you convenience of being able to go to a gas station if you're on the road, take it somewhere to dump your tank. That's usually the challenge these days, is finding a spot to where you could actually dump your tank. Nice light here, so at nighttime you are hooking anything up, you do have a bright LED light. This is all your connections and everything. 110 power cord to hook up to the power source, cable, extra solar. You do have a spray port here, so again, if you do want to actually spray some things off, clean your animals, clean the kids up, you can do so. Quick connect here for your propane to fill up your propane tank on here. You do also have a side step here to get in and out of the cab. Again, nice, easy fuel fill area right here, so you can keep the doors closed in some bad weather. So let's go inside and take a look at this floor plan. Okay, so welcome in here inside this beautiful 2025 20 JT Thor Sequence. This is a rear lounge, so you do have a sofa at the back, which has some seat belts back here. So if you're going to be taking any extra people with you, you can sit back here forward facing. Great way to actually accommodate some people in your vehicle. So the nice thing about this guy, you do have this deal here. You have a post that'll fit a table. So your table's actually right here. You could have a dining area, place to play some cards, place for the kiddos to do some coloring, because again, you do have the pop top. So this thing makes into a bed, very simple. It's a manual bed, just pull it forward, extends out, then you could piece together a bar right here. It's a platform that goes here, so you can make this one large bed if you want, okay? You do have a television back here for entertainment, extends out here, so you actually have some good viewing angles to do. Plenty of cabinets, which, speaking of cabinets, this interior is called Miami Interior Cabinet Color. Okay, you have a fully functional kitchen here with good sized sink, high arch faucets. Now you'll notice there's no cooktop here. Portable induction cooktop. It's removable, so you plug it in. The good thing about that, you don't need to take up counter space. If you want to cook outside, take that thing outside, set up a table, plug it on the outside porch you got right there. You can do your cooking in here. Power wise, like we were talking about, you do have the 2800 watt generator. You also have an inverter on here, so you want to turn the inverter on to run a few little appliances, you could do so. You have a good size wet bath here, so if you're coming in here, I'm a pretty good sized guy. Where'd I go? You got plenty of room to do your thing in there. Refrigerator set here, which is a compressor fridge, so it runs off your battery power, doesn't draw too much power here. Now the one thing people love about this, right up top, you have space so you could fit 2 kids. My 2 girls would love to be up top there. So come down, take a look at this. We could go over a lot of the features that you do have, which there's a ton of stuff on this 25 Thor Sequence. Not going to go into that now, but if you want to find out more of the safety features, bells and whistles that it has, look me up. My name is Rick Sander. I'm with Mike Thompson's RV here in Colton, or look up one of our associates at any of our full locations. We'd love to see you.